Learn English through listening, the best way to improve fast. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful and natural ways to improve your English fast. Learning through listening. Yes, you can improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and even grammar just by listening. So stay with me and let's dive in. Why listening is so important. Listening is one of the first skills we develop as children. Before we speak, we listen. Before we write, we listen. Even babies spend months just listening to their parents speak before they say a word. That's why listening is the key to learning a new language. It helps you absorb the rhythm, sounds, and structure of English naturally. And the more you listen, the more your brain starts to feel what sounds right, even before you understand all the rules. How to learn with listening. Now, let's talk about how to actually learn with listening. Here's a step-by-step guide you can follow every day. Step 1. Choose the right content. Pick something you enjoy, a podcast, short story, or even a YouTube video like this one. Start with simple English and slowly move to more advanced content. Step 2. Listen every day. Make it a habit. Even just 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. Step 3. Use subtitles at first. Watch videos with English subtitles. Read and listen at the same time. Then try listening without subtitles. It's okay if you don't understand everything. Step 4. Repeat and shadow. Listen to the same audio 2 or 3 times. Try the shadowing technique. Repeat after the speaker, exactly how they say it. This improves your pronunciation and speaking confidence. Step 5. Take notes. Write down new words or expressions you hear, then use them in your own sentences later. What to listen to? Wondering what kind of content to listen to? Here are a few ideas. Podcasts, like The English We Speak, or ESL Pod. Audiobooks. Start with children's books or easy readers. TV shows, like Friends or The Office, with English subtitles. YouTube channels. Search for English learning videos or stories with voiceover. Music. Listen to your favorite English songs and read the lyrics. Sing along. Remember, learning English takes time. Sometimes it will feel easy, and sometimes it will feel hard. But if you keep listening every day, your brain will slowly adjust. You will start to understand more, speak better, and feel more confident. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on progress. So if you really want to improve your English, make listening a part of your daily life. Put on your headphones, relax, and enjoy the journey of learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to learn English too. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.